Shit. Okay, bro. Buenos días. Buenos dias. All right, a lot to talk about here this morning. We'll get to it in a second here. I just gotta do some shit. How's everybody doing? A lot to talk about here this morning. We'll get to. What's up, everybody? Morning. Good morning. Good morning. It's Thursday. Fucking Thursday. Credit card application. I didn't fucking. I don't want no damn credit card. What the fuck is this? All right. What? Dímelo, vale.
Aram, mira, tomar una foto a tu licencia y envíamela, por favor, porque voy a necesitarla también mañana cuando vaya a hacer el trámite.
Dale, ¿frente y atrás o solamente el frente?
No, por el frente solamente.
Dale, te lo
Vale,
envío.
gracias, Ana.
Chao, papi. All right. All right, let's get into this here. Um, Obviously, you got the BA gap up. We'll talk about that in a second. With the Fed minutes that came out yesterday, they didn't, it was already to be expected. And then the overnight move is where the juice hit. So I started watching futures at around like 10, 11, and I saw us moving up like five points or something. And I'm like, I should start buying this. But then I went out and I got fucked up. And then I looked at it again, and then I saw us up like 20, and I was like, fuck it. But shit, last night was the time to actually shoot for the futures. So there's some interesting gaps ups along with this. Obviously, we got to take a look at the meta. Meta printed 330. Meta printed 3 fucking 30 this morning. Right, we'll take a look at Chipotle in a second. But I don't know. what they said, but of course the guidance was better. Reported second quarter earnings after the bell, beating estimates on the top and bottom line. So we came in above. They made $32 billion. Company also guided, so they guided higher, more than the 31.2 billion. This guy's like, we had a good quarter, and I'm gonna fight Elon Musk in the ring, celebrity death match. Man, we gotta play the song. We gotta play the song. We gotta play the song. Celebrity death match song. We gotta play it.
We're all out of time. This is Johnny Gomez saying good fight, good night.
I would pay to go see that fight. Like I'd pay 12 grand to sit in the front row there. Like forget about seeing a Mayweather fight. You go to a Mayweather fight, that shit ain't fun. It's just that you there, you know. The fight actually isn't fun. It's a fucking, you watch 12 rounds of shit. And again, you know Mayweather's gonna win because you can't touch him. Facebook's daily active user counts also top expectations. Man, however, the company did report a wider operating loss than expected in its VR division, Reality Labs, which of course, man, and they just casually lose $4 billion. This is why you can't beat these cats. They have so much cash to just swallow up any competition and lose crazy cash in research and shit. You know what I mean? You can't beat these cats, man. We over here trying to play David and Goliath and shit, but what are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? You don't have the research cash that these guys do. The only thing that you can do is really find a pocket that they're not thinking about and blow something up. So I don't know, man. Jesus. Anyways, so that's the meta. Chipotle had earnings as well. Now, this one wasn't too hot, and the stock is down like 180. But again, it's fucking Chipotle, man. It's fucking Chipotle. It's like the cleanest. I mean, if you look at how much they missed, it really wasn't that bad, you know? And then they're supposedly expanding to the Middle East. I wonder how that's going to go. I wonder how, like, Arabs will. I would imagine it doesn't matter. Like, if you put the shit in Dubai, everybody's going to go. If you put the shit in Abu Dhabi, everybody's going to go. If you put the shit in different places in the Middle East, everybody's going to go. You know, Chipotle stock has gained about 50% so far this year through Wednesday's close. I mean, this shit's crazy. Restaurant sales. Look at this. Beef and avocados. Hold on. Benefit of menu price increases and lower avocado costs, which offset higher prices for other food items such as beef, tortillas, dairy, salsa, beans, and rice. Beef and avocado make up 20% and 9% of Chipotle's food basket. And then its limited time offering, the chicken al pastor, which debuted back in March, also gave a boost. I mean, I was buying that shit. Every time I go to Florida, I was buying that shit. I was buying that shit. Yo, speaking of which, how's that Kava IPO doing? I mean, shit, yeah, this is not looking that bad either, and it's holding. It's not like they're selling any of it off, you know. So the Kava looks fine. The Kava looks fine, you know. All right. Other than that, if you take a look at other news, let's look at the other gap ups here in a second. That Nvidia is gapping up like crazy. We'll take a look at that in a second. It's 9:10. We still got some time. Um, Tech stocks lead gains as meta rallies, of course. McDonald's earnings. Okay, so you got McDonald's earnings. Let's take a look at MCD. Beat Wall Street expectations. You have every single company right now beating expectations. But this stock is down. So let's take a look at this one, right? You got the McDonald's. McDonald's also incurred a pre-tax restructuring charge of 18 million. Revenue in the quarter, blah blah blah. So it must have been guidance here. Same store sales. While macroeconomic challenges persist, we continue to invest in our growth drivers and blah 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 blah. Though the company did yeah, so I don't know. So they sold it off this news. McDonald's has been in a big consolidation for like 4 months. I don't know. You might want to take a look at this for like a longer term picture to see if we break out or something like that. Yeah, there's the lockup thing. J Robe is talking about the lockup on the Kava. I don't know. Yeah, I need you to figure that out. Figure that out and then write it back here in the chat. I need to know. I need to know. All right. Tobias is talking about Meta. I don't know. We'll talk about that in a second. Take a look at Nvidia. The gap up here on Nvidia. Take a look at Tesla. Remember, Tesla was trading like shit yesterday. I held on. I still got 75 of those. Now, here's where I'm gonna get killed. It's CCL. I got 1,000 lot of this. I'm gonna get killed on this. So I'm gonna be down like 30 easy on this. What happened here? So let's talk about this. Was it RCL? Was it some earnings here? This was a stupid trade. Royal Caribbean, no. Blowout earnings. Royal Caribbean, look at this. Fuck, so I'm just wrong here. So I'm just gonna book the loss. I'm just fucking wrong here. I'm wrong here. Royal Caribbean needed something special in its earnings to keep the cruise stocks. With the strong earnings beat and a 33% full year guidance hike, get the fuck out of here, man. Company convincingly beat expectations. I mean, I'm just wrong. So it sucks. I have to burn some, decent amount of cash here to figure it out. See, this is what I'll start doing. We'll talk about this in a second. This is what I'll start doing when, you'll just start taking shots. When you make some more cash, you'll start taking other shots. What's the MU gap up all about? Is this news or is this just the catch up trade on this? So let's take a look at MU. I wanted this move back to 70. Get it here. Data storage, micron technology, stock, blah blah blah. Anybody? I don't know what the news this is. If it's anything. So RCL raise. Yeah. Lockups don't matter. Remember when Meta had a lockup? This stock will run if it runs. I don't know. I don't know. All right. So I'm gonna get hit on that. What I'm immediately gonna do off the open is sell puts. Is sell the SPX puts immediately on the off the open. All right. What do you guys got to bring to the table? Bring me something. Um, Kava lockup expiration is December. Doesn't matter for now. Okay, so Dizzy is talking about that. Take a look at the Pinterest here gap up there. I mean, again, you could get a rotation over there. Now, considering how aggressive the MU and the NVIDIA is doing, you would think that AMD is a possibility, correct? Now, what do we call AMD in this live stream, ladies and gents? What do we call AMD? What do we call AMD? Yo, did you see there, Baba? We were talking about this. The taker of souls. The taker of souls. All right, let's check the UPST. UPST 67. So this thing gapped up as well. They just didn't do it yesterday. They just didn't do it yesterday. I don't have time to look at any small caps. Fuck small caps right now. I don't give a shit about no damn small cap, except for that AMC, which is doing absolutely nothing. So who gives a shit? Take a look at that UPST. Remember, they open up the strikes up to 100. You still got a lot of people short this thing, so it can keep going. Shop I thought was interesting. A nice gap up back to 66 and change. Everything looks good off the meta. Meta here. I mean, I looked at it at 316 from yesterday. It's trading 330. So this thing single-handedly is gonna put a lot of buyers out here completely in the market here. Natalia, what's the story off the open here? What are we looking at? Yep. Pero ya estamos up, ¿verdad? No estamos, ya estamos up. So I like the melt up. I like the melt up trades. El problema es que todo el movimiento fue anoche. So even if you get something, it's gonna be short and it's gonna be small. Roblox was mentioned a couple times in Meta Call yesterday. Really, I mean, Roblox is a tough one to trade, bro. I mean, if you didn't take that 45 off, or 43 or 44, you got fucking smoked on that swing. So there's some shit that you just can't stick around with. You know what I mean? Microsoft here again is another one. By the way, a great trade is selling Microsoft calls. Google, you might get a second day kind of thing. So I'm going to put a 132 call up for the Google. You might get a second day move, and remember, what's that? To buy? Yeah. Yeah. Um, One site said lockup is 90 days on Kava, but not much out there on it. Roblox is another soul taker. Yeah, man, for real. All right, so with the Baba, as you can see, I gutted all my weeklies, and we have some time, I guess, to talk about it. I had the 220 weeklies and the 225s, and I want to show you guys a chart of this so you guys can see it, and like this is going to be the next step for me. I don't know how to pull it off, but this is going to be the next step for me. I mean, I had it from $2. I bought more off the open at $4. I sold at $8. There was another chance to buy again. You know what I mean? There was another chance to buy again. That dip, like this dip right here almost killed me. You guys weren't around, but you guys saw me end the session at like a quarter million up. I was back down the quarter million and then ended the day at 1.5, right? But I sold the weeklies. Oh wait, you guys can't see this chart. Where's the hold on, my bad. Hold on. Okay, let's put it up here. All right. So, right, I bought some off the open. You guys saw me buying $4 off the open. I sell $8, right? We had this huge, ridiculous pullback. This was the move to get back in. Even if you didn't get back in down here, you get more up here. Now, what I did was I moved to the 225s up here once I realized that this was a complete shakeout. Now, again, that was painful, right? Now let's go to the 225s. All right, so 225s, I started buying more 225s like all during this shit. All right, and then I caught another move up here. But you can see the total move here. Now remember, this option is going to open up at $10. You know what I'm saying? So you're getting 10x this, right? So even though all my options doubled, tripled, or any something, I still didn't technically double. I double tripled a smaller lot size. So this is where I'm trying to figure out how to capitalize on the weeklies at the same time holding the monthlies. Now, if we take a look at a chart of the monthlies, right? Let's take a look at a chart of this, right? 230s. Now, I'm still in this, right? And I kept buying through all of this, right? So my cost is 3 and change. I don't think this is accurate on this because it decrements a little bit. So I think my cost was like 3.5. So, I had 800 contracts. This thing's going to open up at $8, $9 as well. And I'm going to be able to get out of this. So this is huge. I mean, that's 2x, 3x right there. I gotta get a little heavier and I'm there. A little heavier and I'm there. And then the other work that I have to do is just minimizing losses and then just kind of waiting and then doing more hedging. Like Ranchero will has taught us all. I don't know if he's taught you, but if he hasn't, that's what the Sang Lucci Master Course is all about. And then I need to learn more from him about how to make sure I'm always I'm always flat. Even if I'm shooting and I'm taking big shots, I'm flat. I'm finding ways to just hedge it out and everything. So you guys see me with, whatever. You guys are gonna see me here with 600 in gains or whatever. The goal now is, can I hold at 1.6 going forward? Can I hold at 1.6 going forward? You know what I mean? I have to hold now at 1.6. If I'm at 1.6 and I go back down to a mill, the fuck are we doing all this work for? That's the part now that I have to work on in order to get to the 5. Once I hit the 5, then I get unlimited leverage and it's all fucking, it's off to the races kind of thing. So anyways, that's my plan on the BA. Um, I do have to sell some more of that off the open. And remember, also what I did was I sold the puts. You see that I sold the puts. I was just like, all right, I couldn't buy anymore. Like I couldn't bring myself to buy anymore. I don't know. I got to a place where I was just like, holy shit, I have 1,000 contracts of this. I can't. You know what I mean? I can't buy anymore. So I took the rest of that leverage and then just fucking, I took the rest of that leverage and then just um shorted the puts. So that's all I did there. All right. So again, today all I'm gonna do is baby the rest of the BA. I don't plan on adding much. I am gonna trade a little bit of the Google. I am gonna sell some SPX puts. I'll probably take a shot off the open on some ES long, and then that's it. I'm gonna bounce. I'm gonna bounce. I'll go hit the beach and I'll play some beach tennis. I mean, we caught this move that we were waiting for. Now I need to start working on the other side of the game, which is as important, if not more important. Um, that's where I got to be at. Dime, ¿cómo estás, jefe? ¿Cuál es tu nombre? Claudio. Ah, sí, bro. Yo te escribí muchas veces, ¿verdad? Por fin, tú llegas. Qué bueno, man. Sí. Dale, dale, dale. ¿Tú vas a sentarte aquí? Ok, dale. Dale, dale. Um, ¿tú estás quedando aquí por un rato? Ya, ya. Sí. Dale. Ah, ok. Oso, so va a turistear. Qué bueno, qué bueno. Sin hijo. Nice, nice.
Did you go from 900 to 1.4 in like 3 days?
Yeah,
And
yeah.
this is your unrealized right now on that mostly that DA.
Yes.
So you're pushing two, or
Um, I don't think so, because I sold a bunch of it yesterday as well. So I think it'll probably be another 100, maybe.
oh, that's 32,000, not 300,000.
No, no, no. That's 300,000. Yeah,
On
that's
top of the
300.
500 or the 1.5.
I don't know, Chris. You're annoying the shit out of me right
Oh,
now.
okay.
The 320 is not on top. It's all included.
Oh, okay.
So
Yeah,
so unrealized is gonna be like 400 today. So it'll add maybe another 100
got it.
on top. Um. Anyways, so yeah, I have to. I gotta figure out what to do on this BA. Now, here's the other thing. Do you guys think the market goes up more today, or do you think we stall out and go back down? Answer that question. By the way, one of the kids in the office, he gave me this ring here. How's it look? The pinky ring. One, two, three. How many slaps? What was that? That Dave Chappelle slap one? Oh, that shit was hilarious. Um, Dave Chappelle Count Dracula. Oh, maybe this is it. Let's see. Let's see if this is it.
That's the thing. There's so much stuff. There's so much stuff. The racism thing is bugging you too much. Everything. I mean, it was so blatant. You were just like, wow. That happened to me. I was. I asked him. I said, how you know that? Yeah, there's no secret down here. I wasn't even mad. Just like it said in the encyclopedia. I don't now realize Sesame Street teaches kids other
All right, here we go.
things. It teaches kids how to judge people. This guy like shit the entire show. Yeah, Oscar. Grow up and step over homeless people. Get it together like that. Fucking 6-foot pigeons walking around. And bird. Cookie, cookie, cookie. Like, chocolate chips on. And then had the nerve to put a pimp on there.
Here we go.
They didn't come out and say he's a pimp, but I know a pimp when I see one. They called him the Count. Had a cape and everything. You just see him pimping. Where is my money? You've been late 4 times. I've been counting. How many times must I smack you before you act right? 1, 2, 2 smacks. Oh, 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 oh.
It's too good. It's too good. Man, it's too good. Um, Market feels like a mirage to me today. My gut's telling me to be extra careful. Blah 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 blah. Hey suckers over at Twitch, if you read this, you suck. Oh wow, so YouTube cat's calling y'all out. Can you check the short interest on Pinterest? No, no. I mean, I have 100 lot on Pinterest, as you can see. By the way, I'm gonna take a big L on CCL. Like I'm definitely gonna take a big L on CCL. Let's see how that plays out. I'm gonna dump that right off the open. I'm just gonna accept the fact that I'm wrong and fuck it. This just ain't gonna happen. So let's queue this up as well to get out. Let's queue some of these BA calls here to dump out here as well. So we want to sell some of these, and then let's queue up some BAs here to sell as well. All right, and then we'll start working on the Google, which we want to go long, um, and then we'll go from there. Right. So let's move the CCL up here. Where's Disney? What time is it? 9:29 here. Let's get focused. All right. Again, BA all day. I'm gonna sell 100. This is the first one that I'm gonna sell because that's the one that's closer to expiration. Got a week out. Um, yeah, that Rivian. I want to, I want to short the fuck, guys. The shorts are gonna be amazing in like September, November, October. I'm going for it. I'm going for it. But fuck that for now. Let's focus in on this Boeing. Let's see where they open these options up. You got to try to guesstimate because the spreads are gonna fuck it. They're gonna fuck with you, right? Because if I shoot 100 in the market off the open here, the spreads are gonna kill me. Let's see where they open it up. 575. Holy shit. Uh, God damn. Damn. I couldn't even get that. Oh, please. Damn. I only got 93 filled. They filled the rest of it. Okay, so here we go. Let's check the BA on this one, right? We know the spread is crazy, right? Let's put some at $9. Let's see if we get to fill, right? Um, the spread's, everybody's going to try to sell right now. Everybody's going to try to sell. The good thing is we got the 100 out. We got the 100 out. We didn't make as much as we thought we would because we're down probably a lot on the CCL. Yeah, I don't know what happened here. They faded it. They fade. Everybody's trying to sell the open here, so there's no way you could have gotten out. I gotta wait. I gotta wait. I gotta wait. It's all good. I still got the short puts, which are pretty much premed out, so those look good. Let's dump the CCL. Let's get rid of the CCL. We're out of the CCL. All right. Let's move over to the Google here. Where's that Google? 131. All right. Boeing's gonna do whatever it does. Now I'm gonna start to sell calls on the Boeing. Now I'm going to start to sell calls on the Boeing. Let's sell the 240s on the Boeing. Fuck. They're not even that much. Even the 235s, you're not even getting paid here. 240s for next week on the Boeing. Let's sell those. Let's sell those. Let's start with those. Let's start with those. All right, let's start with a 25 lot of those. Just 25. We don't want it too much here because we're still kind of bullish. Who's on that Google? Who is on that Google? Let's buy 100 of the Google. BA back up. That's looking better. Yeah, we also wanted to sell the SPX puts. That's one thing we definitely want to do. Natalia, how do we open up? So como. All right, let's sell a fuck ton of the puts on SPX. Where did we open up, guys? 4601? 4600, right? So we could sell. Damn, we got to go that close, bro. I bought some futures. Who's in the Google? I got 100 of the Google. Any pullbacks here, let me know so we can buy some more of those. What else are we doing? What else did we say we're going to do? All right, I'm going to sell the 80s. Jesus, the fucking premium is. Let's sell the 85s. I don't know. Let's take a shot here. Let's take a fucking shot here. All right, let's buy and sell this. 340 on that Microsoft. That's looking good. Here's another dip on the Google. I'm going to buy another 100 on this dip. Okay, we got to move over to the Meta soon. Okay, I got out of 100 of the BA. I did get out of 100 on the BA. I have a one lot long on the futures. I need more than that. I'm going to sell some puts here on SPX. I just sold 50 of those. All right, I got another lot to get out on the BA. If it gets back up there, who knows what will happen there. Natalia, are you long? Are you, tú tienes una posición? Oh man, I want to add. I want to add another one. I think you hit 460. I think we hit 460 at some point on SPY. All right, here's your pullback. I'm going to buy this dip with the ES. All right. Where's Google? I got 200 of these. Let's take a look at the Meta. Whoa, Meta back to 320. So you got. That's probably why this is all getting held up. That's an interesting sell in the Meta. Check the Apple. Check the Apple. Fuck. Because we were looking at this yesterday. It was unusually bullish yesterday. Where's the Tesla? All right, I got it out the CCL, so who cares about that thing? We're not even looking at that. Disney sucks. Let's take a look at the XOM. Whatever. Right? Meta here bounce. Let's take a look at the Nvidia. Nvidia. Take a look at this one. Where's the AMD at? Piece of shit. Ranchero still has this week's 240s. Will write if this stalls. Ranchero open up a BA September 230 call at 1080. Okay, so he's rolling. He's rolling. I like that. I like that. I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm just gonna start selling calls, Ranchero, and then rolling into a later strike, similar to what you're doing. Because I don't think I don't think this is done, but I do think somebody's gonna get chopped up. I got 200 lot of the Google. I'm also remember short the puts. I also got long ES. Keep an eye on Apple. That's the one that you want to be long, I think. What's the previous high from last week? Somebody give me that number. Somebody give me that number. 198.20. Yeah, Ranchero, man. I just want to be ready for that, man. I don't want to get freaking. I have 500 left of those monthlies. again, they're coming back. They're coming back on the premium. I still have the short puts on the BA. I like those. I'm gonna actually add on the short calls for the BA. As you can see, this thing, well, not really doing much. AMD, Bruce is talking about. Do we care? Remember, it's the fucking Widowmaker. Do we care? Whoa. Okay. What are you gonna do? You gonna buy the highs here? What are you gonna do? That's what you're gonna do? You're gonna buy the highs? I'm not saying it can't run. It can run. Look at the Nvidia. Look at the Nvidia. Let me know if anybody buys that AMD. I'll live vicariously through you because I ain't gonna do it. I ain't gonna do it. All right. Market feels a little dead here. Yeah. Somebody's talking about that Unity. Remember that thing's been on fire, man, lately. Where's that UPST? UPST it's eating up that premium, man. There's so much IV in these options. If you look at the UPST chain, you can't even fucking trade it. You can't trade it, man. For real. You can't trade it. Where's the Tesla here? Tesla, I'm down 8,000, which is not that much. Oh, I still have RCL here. Oh, I got smoked in RCL. That's what happened. These are weeklies too. That's what happened. I'm an asshole on that RCL, man. I really am. I fucked that up royally. It's all good. It's what it is. Let's go back to that BA. It's not doing anything. Let's take a look at the Google. Google is shit. It's shit for now. Give me something that's moving, guys. It's that Nvidia, isn't it? That fucking Nvidia. It's that fucking Nvidia. Where's that AMD? Now you buy the dip, Bruce. Now you buy the dip. All right, let's take a look at these banks. Let's do a little walk around the club here. Banks are dead. Banks are flat. You know what I mean? So you ain't gonna get love there. Where else are they doing it? Where's the rotation, guys? Find me the rotation. Is it ARC? Is it regional banks? Is it oil? Is it materials? It looks like most shit is weak. MCD. What is it? Chipotle. I'm in love with Chipotle. You guys heard that song? PayPal. Man, I had August monthlies of that shit too, and I was long from $69. Yeah, look at this PayPal. New guy here called it out. Take a look at this PayPal. It still has a gap to recover, I think. So this was up there with the Square. Take a look at Square. There you go. There you go. Here's your rotation. Thanks, bro. It ain't Google. It ain't fucking Google. Google and Amazon, by the way, are the same exact price. I have a 2 lot on the ES long. Remember, I'm short the SPX. I should actually sell more of those. Let me sell more of those. And guys, I'm going for 460, right? So let's sell more of these SPX here. Amazon looks way stronger. If anything, I should be long Apple. I need to be long something that's fucking moving. SMCI. What is this? Fresh highs, right? Fresh recent highs. Where's that AMD? 112, back to 112. Let me know if you buy this. Check out Shopify, 67. Remember, these are the ARC names. These are the ARC names, so maybe we can just go ahead and buy that. It's not that bad of an idea. Google here just shot to fresh highs, but again, I got a 200 lot. This thing's not moving that well. I'm long from 85 cents. The option is trading at $1. What are we getting out at on the Google? Anybody want to throw a number out there? OSTK. Holy shit. I thought they just sold furniture. Whatever happened to all their connection with crypto? Are they still on that shit? BTC was trading kind of well. What is auction coin? Does anybody know what that is? The auction coin? Let's take a look at that. Meta here moving back up. Tesla here. Take a look at Tesla, 269. AI. AI guys. Yo, let's throw a lotto ticket on that AI for the 45s. Fuck it. Fuck it. Fuck it. Let's throw a lotto ticket on the 45s. I bought 50 of those. I'm just doing it because of the fucking short interest here. If there's people stuck short, that's it. If it hits 45, I'm getting the fuck out. All right. There's some interesting buyers on the Google tape on the option. I just saw somebody bid 200 on the bid. Um, what do you want to do here? Ranchero saying 137. 137? I'm gonna fucking day trade, bro. You want me to? Oh, you want me to move this out? Shit. Um. Anyways, listen. The rest of the market is not looking too hot. Take a look at the Melly. This thing hasn't moved well in a while. FCNCA. They got to do a case study on this bank, man. They really got to do a case study of this bank because of all the banks they came out of this fucking shit. The best. It's First Citizens Bank. It's First Citizens. It's fucking First Citizens. I don't understand it. I still don't understand it. I don't understand why. Moving Trader is saying this is going to be a long day of selling. If I am right, I am going for a home run. Moving Trader, you're saying you're short? Is that what you're saying? Uh, Gap and Go, American is talking about. That's what we're thinking over here, bro. Gap and Go. So it's just a slow grind tape up. Um, also, Moving Trader is long puts and SPY, so he's going completely the opposite. He's saying we sell. He's saying we sell. All right, so this is great. This is great. So, moving trader, what's your actual position? Which strike and then what expiration? Somebody's saying they're short oil. Yeah, oil looks. I mean, it looks okay. It needs a pullback. I would short the contract. I would short the CL contract actually. Actually, you know what? Yeah. Thanks for bringing that up. Right. So let's see if we can get CL. What's the contract for CL? Wait, I gotta ask them if I'm able to trade. Goldman Sachs. You don't know if he's wrong, bro. You don't know anything. You don't know if he's wrong. Check that BA. CLU. That's the ticker. Shit. CLU. What is it again? CLU3? Oh, it's not .CME, right? Because it's the other shit. All right, here's your Google. Here's your Google. Nice trade, guys. Nice trade. What are we up on this Google? We're up 8 grand. We're up 9 grand. We're up 9 grand. Let's take off half. We took off half on the Google. That was a good trade, guys. That was a good trade there, guys. Good move on the Google. Where's the Apple? Oof. Natalia, check the Apple out. Check the Google. All right, so I'm long the two lot. I'm just gonna keep it at two. But obviously, you can see this market. The meat of the move happened in the overnight, and nobody fucking, guys. I'm gonna sell the rest of the Google. Actually, I'll sell another 50 of the Google. That was a great trade. That was a fucking great trade, man. Shit. What did we buy? We bought 85 cents. We're selling $1.50 here. God damn. Smoking trade there, guys. AMD. I mean, go ahead. Go ahead. 133 we caught on that Google. I'm gonna leave a runner because this tape is interesting on the Google. Okay, now it's mostly Fang names. Where's that Tesla? Tesla couldn't run. It should be over 270. Piece of shit. Where's that Meta? I would start selling calls on Meta. I ain't gonna do it though. I ain't gonna do it. Remember, we still have the SBX short, which we stand to make a good 10 grand on that if that works. And then I still have the Boeing. I still got the Boeing. I still got a 500 lot of the Boeing. Let's see what happens, man. Let's see what happens. If it gets back up to 236, we're making, you know. Oh shit! I forgot about shorting CMG off the open. This thing could still go. That was a great reshort on the CMG, man. I can't watch it all though, so fuck it. It is what it is. Let's take a look at the banks here. KRE. What's up to Pac West? Pac West still chugging around. This is a shit trade. I don't even trade this thing. Shop ARC. Okay, there's your program down. AMD, whatever. Okay, off this program down, I kind of want to buy some more, but I haven't done it yet. I kind of want to buy some more. I'm gonna wait a little bit, but I like the ad on the futures here. Check the AMD, man. You might get a fucking. What are they doing on this? Let's take a look at the flow. Let's see if anybody else is buying this AMD. Okay, they're buying Amazon, PLTR here. Affirm, 19.5 calls. Microsoft here, 345s for next week. Almost $1 million. You got Apple. Look at this. They're buying 215s for December. Amazon 157.5s off the open. Q's 391s for next week. Look at that Google. Good cover, guys. Good cover. Good cover. Good cover. Taker of souls. Taker of souls on the AMD. Yo, listen, if they short, if they sell the market, we could sell. Don't put it past them. Moving trader here has got the spy puts. It's got the spy puts going. Shit, I'm even thinking about getting a hedge, man. Right? Shit. 46.02 here we're trading. Look at AMD 113, man. Different tape today. Could we do it? Are you long?
Long Google.
Okay, but what about AMD?
No, I haven't touched it. Good Nvidia.
Guys, I have to do it. I mean, this AMD, I can't sneeze at it. I bought 100 of the AMD. I'll buy another 100 on a dip. The BA is not giving us any love here. Red Dad is saying, why not cover all your BA longs before Kramer comes out and says he loves the long? Well, I'm shorting, but that's the thing. I'm shorting the calls against it. You know what I mean? So that's going to protect me while I hold a little bit of the long. Now, is it going to protect all of it? No. But, that's the play. That's the play. That's the play. I think we got to take out highs first. Chi is talking about Riot and Mara gave out. Is that right? So BTC gave out then? BTC didn't give out though. AMD guys, AMD. If AMD has the day that we're thinking about, this thing could go to the fucking moon, man. BA just dumped out. That ain't the play. AI. Oh, I forgot I have a lotto ticket of the AI. Let's move focus on the AMD now. I mean, as long as the market doesn't sell, we should be able to we could get 114. $200 upgrade on AMD Comedy. It got a $200 upgrade? Who gave it a $200 upgrade? Shit. Shit. IONQ. Remember that thing was running the other day. Ready? Ready?
Yep.
Right, Chris? What is it called? IONQ? Oh, wow. You got calls on that? You've been holding them for a while? I mean, you're doing pretty well on that one then.
Check out this teledoc.
T-Doc. So it's all names like this then. Check out the meta. Check out the meta. Meta looks good. BA is all over the place. It's just I wouldn't put too much bank on it. Let's all move focus on this AMD here. Okay, where's that Google? I still have 50 of the Google, right? Okay, I'm going to sell 25 of the Google. So I just have 25 left. I'll hold that as a runner. Natalia, ¿qué tú estás haciendo con tu posición? Okay. Amazon, they're buying 133s here for this week, 60 grand. But again, it's more follow through here for techs. Um, if you take a look at Amazon, it hasn't really played yet. I would buy that Apple if anything, or maybe go after some of those names that new guy here was talking about. What was it? PayPal, Square, and all that shit. Let's take a look at PayPal. PayPal pullback, Square, whatever. All right, guys. Oh, all right, that 50 lot on AI. Let's bury that. So we lost what? What did we lose? We lost 50% on that. Let's dump that. Let's get rid of that shit. All right, let's pull back up that AMD. All right, guys, if we go back to highs on SPX or SPY, I'm going to go ahead and just get a full 100 lot on the short puts, and then I'm also going to add on the long futures. I got to get NYMEX data to trade the crude oil shit. How much is NYMEX data? How much is NYMEX data? Airbnb new 52-week high. Get the fuck out of here. What is it, over 150? You know what? I was planning to make the biggest short on this thing. You know what I mean? I just sold more puts on SPX. I'm going to add another futures contract here. Um, remember, we're still long the Google. I only have a 25 lot though. This thing is back to highs, so that's good tape. That's good tape. How much is the data on the NYMEX? Data on the NYMEX, I can add one lot limits, and you can test without data. $136 monthly. That ain't that bad. Okay, guys, Google is going to go higher. I'm sorry to say. Google is going to go higher. Which, again, Ranchero's in the swing anyway. At 10 o'clock. Fuck. All right. I got to hit some push-ups. Notice futures are shit. Futures aren't trading well at all. Maybe it's just delayed, but I'm not going to add any more. Take a look at that Boeing. They just hit me for 100 at $9 on that option. Take a look at the Boeing. Take a look at the Boeing. Futures aren't. They're not giving us that much gas. I wouldn't imagine that Boeing holds though. So I'd like to actually dump another 100 and then keep 300. Right. So let's dump another 100. Trying to get some out. Futures dump here. I think I'm gonna start hedging. think I'm gonna start hedging. Do I have enough leverage? I don't even have enough leverage, man. You know what I'm gonna do? I gotta soften the blow here. I'm gonna get out of some of the SPX shit that I wrote just to hedge, right? Because I don't want to sit in this if I'm gonna get fucking run over. I covered half of the SPX short rights. I'm gonna sell the calls. I'm gonna wait on the calls. I'm gonna wait. This might just be a shakeout. 10 a.m. pending home sales coming. All right, I got out of another 100 of BA. I got 300 left. Yeah. Yeah, we'll see where that goes. We'll see where that goes. Let's see if it hits pre-market highs. This BA is definitely getting a bid. Check out the shop. Meh, meh. Give me something I can fucking sink my teeth into, which you can't because if you're not already in this stuff, what are you gonna do? You know? What are you gonna do really here? Check out the Google. Whatever. But most names are still bullish here, so as long as they're still bullish here, market still got some life. Where's that Nvidia? Where's AMD? AMD still holding. AMD still holding. We have how much do we have? We have 100 of these. We have 100 of these. We're not getting anywhere. Literally not getting anywhere. Check the Boeing. Check the Boeing. 236, 336. That's pretty tasty. That is pretty tasty. Listen, I'm gonna start selling the puts that I wrote on Boeing. I'm gonna start selling the puts that I wrote. I might roll up, right? So let's dump next week's 220s that we wrote, and then we still got 100K left to come out of the week after that. The Boeing just went nuts. Fuck. Fuck me. Fuck me. Let's fuck me. Uh, uh. Let's just gut another 100 of this. Let's gut another 100 of this. All right, we got 200 left. 200 left. Where's the Google? Let's bury the Google. What do we have? We only got 25 left of the Google. Right? That AMD sucks. Widowmaker over here. Fuck that thing. What else do you want to do here? Let's take a look at that Tesla. The Tesla is trash. Look at the Microsoft. It's trash. Check out the Meta. Meh. You know? So far, I don't know. Natalia, this looks, the tape, it's just kind of slow. It just looks exhausted. Maybe you get it. You know? I at least lightened up my position size across the board here. Where's AI? Meh. I ain't gonna fuck with that. Where's the Disney? Who cares? Pins. Who gives a shit? Where's that Shopify? 67. All right, fine. Google. I mean, I still think you hold it. AMD. Shit. All right, listen. So what we're gonna do? We're gonna take a shot on this. I bought 200 more. I got 300 of the AMD. Fuck it. We'll take a shot on this. We'll see if we hit 114. I mean, it's a program. It's all program activity. I mean, to move AMD a point like that in seconds, you got to buy a lot of stock. You know? Q's at fresh highs up 40%. The thing with AMD is that you get that squeeze, and then it does nothing, and then your option just sucks. Wall Street's top strategist admits he was wrong about a plunge in U.S. stocks. You and everybody else, my friend, don't feel bad. You and everybody else. CBNA new lows. How's that going? Oh, wow. Yeah, check out this CBNA. That's interesting. CVNA. Think I might cover. I covered my futures here. I only have one lot left. I had three. Took a small loss on that shit. AMD fresh highs. Fresh highs. Remember, we got a 300 lot of this. If it hits 114, we're gonna get out of half. You guys let me know. I do have AMD, but remember, it's this is not called the fucking taker of souls here for no fucking reason, bro. You get long, it takes your soul. You get long again, it takes more of your soul. Good thing I shaved off some of the short puts. Okay. Do I have any leverage to write calls on SPX? Yes. All right. So let's start that game. What uh what price are we writing? It's 4,600 here. Man, you ain't getting shit for premium, man. You ain't getting shit. You ain't getting shit. You ain't getting fucking shit. All right, I sold a 25 lot of the calls. I mean, I'm pretty much done here, guys. Pretty much done here. I'm gonna get some food, hit some push-ups. I'll go to Old San Juan today, and then I'm gonna go to Ponce. You know what? Let me hit up the fam in Ponce and see if I can get some beach tennis going in Guayama. That's what I'm gonna do. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Oh yeah. Guayama, 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 Guayama. Man, once you get on Instagram, you just go fucking Jesus. I'm over here just wasting fucking time. You guys are just watching me on this bullshit. Jesus Christ. Um, what was I supposed to do? Oh yeah, Guayama. Lede. Hector Lede. Lede, ¿cómo está? Buenos días. Mira, voy para Ponce por la tarde y me quedo ahí como 2 días. ¿Ustedes están jugando en Guayama? ¿Yo puedo pasar? Dime, bro, ¿cuándo? AMD, told you. This shit'll suck your soul, man. Shit's out there to suck your soul. Somebody's talking about MU. What's that thing doing? Who cares? Why would you write it 5 times like that? Are you a cow? Is that what you're doing? You a fucking cow? All right, I'm selling some more calls here. AMD pullback for buy? Not really. I mean, I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Don't let my opinion sway. I'm gonna wait for a pop and then get out of half anyway because it looks like shit. Look at the Google. Look at the Google. Natalia, ya yo me quité. Look at the shop. Check out the shop. 67.5 here. There's still names that don't care. There's definitely still names that don't care. It's just it's getting tired, man. We're getting tired here. We're getting tired. So I think it's time for me to exit stage left, which is what Bugs Bunny used to say. Let's see if we can find that. Exit stage left. Bugs Bunny. Man, see, they deleted all of these cartoons. You can't. Was it exit stage right? Bugs. What was it? Oh, that's what Daffy Duck said? Daffy didn't say that shit. Was it Daffy? Man, I don't know. Anyways, we're out the Google. That Google sucks. By the way, the Tesla, we're still in, so I'm getting my ass kicked in that Tesla. That shit ain't changed. Look at this fucking AMD, this piece of shit AMD. I hate this thing. Swear to God, I hate this thing. Now I'm down 10. You see? Fucking Widowmaker over here. Fucking Widowmaker over here. Let's wait for a pop and I'm out. I'm getting the hell out of this thing. Fuck. Fucking hate this thing. I hate it. Fucking hate it. Fucking hate it. Oh, because I'm short the calls. All right, because that's going against me too. All right, all right, all right. That's all good though. BA about to make new highs. Yes, sir. Still got 200 of those. We're trading at $10 here on this option now. Let's sell another 100. Oh my God. Let's see if we can get 10 and a quarter. I think I got it. Did I get it? No, I didn't get it. I'm out there trying to get out at 10 and a quarter on the BA. Let's see if somebody takes me out. Yeah, somebody took me out at 10 and a fucking quarter. Oh. Aha. 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 Google here bounce. This AMD should bounce, but it's going to take us to the woodshed here. Because that's what it does. That's what it does. It's literally what it fucking does. You know what I'm going to do? Let's see what I can move up on the BA to short the puts here. That way. But I don't have that much leverage. Let's see if we sell next week. 230s. Yeah, we could do that. Yeah, we could do that. Buy 220s. Okay. I sold 25 of the puts for next week on Boeing. Somebody give me a fucking out on that AMD, man. Can you give me an out on that AMD, you piece of shit? Oh, I hate this thing. This is why they call it a Widowmaker. Guys, I'm going to do something a little stupid here, but I'm going to add another 100. I'll probably add in one more 100, wait for the pop, and then get the hell out. If there is a fucking pop. If there is a pop. Piece of shit. Okay, we got the short calls on SPX, and then we're getting stuck on the short puts here. Okay, I'm going to buy another 100 of the AMD. This Boeing here is at a fresh high. Jesus Christ, bro. No way are you going to keep going higher, man. For real, bro? No way. No way. All right, guys, I got 4. Oh, wait. It wouldn't let me buy another 100 because I got no buying power? Motherfucker. I got no buying power. Okay, what do I need to get out of? This fucking AMD. I hate this thing. Oh my god, I hate this thing. Look at this thing. Destroying us. Everybody who went long, there's so many people. You can feel them right now screaming. It's just people like me who are as deep long. Look at them screaming. Screaming. I can't take them. If you listen real closely, you can hear them. You can hear them. Oh, I don't get that leverage back because I held that shit overnight. Motherfuck. Motherfuck. Fine. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Let me see. I'm just trying to get some leverage back so I can buy another 100 of this piece of shit. But this is what I'll start doing. You know what I mean? Oh, I still can't buy another 100. Get the fuck out of here. All right, come on, 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 come on. I bought another 100. Bought another 100. My cost is a buck 40 here. If this thing gets back to like 112.60, I'm out. I'm out. If. That is a big if. The BA, I still got the 100 lot. I never got the fill. But remember, we're also short the calls on BA. I kind of want to add on those too, but I'm going to chill here for a second. Let's just see if we can get out of this AMD, and then I'm done for the day. Okay. Which AMD contract? I'm in the, what am I in? I'm in the 113. My bad, you can't see it. Sorry, guys. There you go. I'm in the one. I'm in the 113. This is so bad. All right, I got 250 queued up, ready to sell. I'm down 15 on this thing. Piece of shit. Bruce has got 40 on the 114 calls. Is that big size for you? That sounds like, is that big size for you? So are you stuck as well? Is that you we hear screaming? I mean, I could have sworn I heard something. It could have been Bruceosaurus right there. That's you? All right. That's you. Word. Piece of shit. Oh, this thing is so bad. I mean, if I get this down to -10, I'm super happy. Super happy. We already said 112.60, guys. 112.60. Let's get the hell out of this thing. Shit, we might not even get that. Remember the 10 lots that we have on the short SPX. We got short 30 lot and then short the call side here as well. All right, let's start pulling off on AMD here off this rally. We got the 60. Fuck it. Let's just get out. Let's get the fuck out of this thing. Right? I got what 200 left. Fuck it. Dump it all. Dumped it all. Took the loss on that AMD. Still got 100 lot of the BA. I shorted both sides. I'm good. I'm good here. I'm short both sides on the BA. Ain't nothing else I want to do here. I got some leverage back too, by the way, so I can go ahead and sell some more calls on the BA, which is what I wanted to do, and sell some more puts on the BA as well, right? So let's add to both of those lines, and then I'm fucking out of here. Bang on some fucking push-ups and get the fuck out of here. How the hell did you take 5% green on AMD? Oh, because you were in from way before. Nice, nice, man. Break it. You broke even on that shit. That's good, bro. That's really good, man. No, tennis. Yo no estoy jugando fútbol. Sí, sí. No. Sí, claro que sí. The stream? Ah, all right. All right. So give me a second. ¿Para cuándo una pachanga de tenis es España? Ah, in España. I mean, I'm there at least once a year. So just stay on the stream and then when I let you know I'm going. Pero España está grande, bro. So ¿dónde tú estás en España? It's. Um, that's freaking Pele. That's Pele. Wow. 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 Yo, Joel, ven acá. Su papá. Su papá con Pele. 76. Pero ustedes tienen que hablar porque la liga está subiendo aquí otra vez y él está. No, entiendo, pero. Pero Quintana es un lugar o una persona. Oh, ok, ok, ok. Untouchable. Yeah, yeah. Por eso son así. Ajá. Who gives a shit about them? You think I give a shit about them? Do you think I give a shit about you?
I give a lot of respect. Pero te tengo que mostrar la otra.
No, no, me gustaría. Yo trabajo con la federación
Ah, de verdad.
y voy compito hoy
Papi,
por la
papi,
noche.
papi, ¿cómo se llama? El del Salón de la Fama de aquí de Panamá.
¿Cómo se llama?
Enrique Soriano. Quique.
¿Qué Soriano? ¿Qué
Él es chileno.
Chileno.
Qué bueno, qué bueno.
Okay, me voy. Guys, I'm out. Um, this Boeing here just hit a high. I mean, I still got 100 of these.
Para el tiempo de Kennedy.
But we know SPX is not doing shit anyway, so whatever. Guys, it's been a good couple of days. I got a lot of work to do. I know exactly what I need to do. Now it's just a matter of doing it here. But I think in the next couple of months, if I stick with this mindset here, you know, we're gonna see 3-4 million here. But you gotta do the work. You gotta come every day. You gotta do the same shit every day, and you gotta be focused, man. So I'm working on it every single day. All right, guys, take care. Before I do leave, let me shout out uh, the offer we have going right now. Um, this is for the Sang Lucci Master Course, and remember that I was talking about this earlier about stuff that I learned even because of the other mentors that we've included inside the Master Course. Um, and his name is Ranchero, and another mentor that I have is Wall Street Jesus as well. Both of those are teaching classes during this. This is everything that you're going to learn. Um, and then we have a special promo. So usually this course is 4 grand. It's only $2,000 if you move your account over to Centerpoint. And you want to do that because your commissions are lower. You get access to shorting the small caps. You get several free months, free access to the steam room, and then you get all these freebies here. The journaling is super important for a lot of you guys, just to stay fresh, stay on it. Um, so yeah, this is probably one of the best deals that this is actually one of the best deals that they've created. Because again, they're just starting to kind of appeal to options traders. By the way, that AMD, thank God we got shit. Um, so yeah, they're starting to appeal here to options traders. And remember, on DAS, you can sell options as well. So that's predominantly what I use it all for. All right. Um, so with that being said, here I'll drop the links here for you, and then we'll keep it moving. Um, I may or may not be around tomorrow. I might just take a day off tomorrow. Um, who's the dude that was talking about short and spy? Who was on the short spy? Who was on the short spy? Said he was short spy heavy. Moving trader. Moving trader. Moving trader. Yeah, man. Give us an update. Give us an update here before we get out. Give us an update here before we move out. Atta boy, moving trader, man. Very impressive, man. I'm so happy that I like hedged myself out. And by the way, like you introduced the idea, all right? And I'm gonna keep going on this because this is where trading in a community really can help you, because again, it's just planting a seed that maybe you ain't thinking about. You know what I mean? So, you know what I'm saying? You just don't know. You never know. And when my long failed, I wasn't thinking about shorting, but the immediate first thing I did was gut out the fucking short SPX puts, at least some of them, and then flip on the call side. You know what I mean? So that saved me there as well. Right, so I was able to position, I was able to stick and move. By the way, take a look at Microsoft, take a look at AMD. All this stuff is selling for whatever reason. I have no idea. You know, so again, guys, check the link. Talk to Centerpoint here about how you could move your stuff over, why you should. All you got to do is set up a meeting. They get the best customer service, man, and that's one of the best things about the broker. Again, I can talk to them. I can fucking text them. You know what I mean? Where else? Where else are you going to be able to do that? Yeah, I see a lot of red in tech here. This is getting pretty juicy, guys. So listen, take a deep breath, stay in it. There's still opportunity here. Look at this Boeing. It just fucking hit 238. All right, guys, take care, and maybe I'll see you tomorrow. I'll let you know.